Let's make creamy mango tapioca. First, boil 2 cups of water before adding half a cup of tapioca pearls. Stir it occasionally so the pearls doesn't stick. Then let it boil up to 10 minutes. Next, slice the frozen mangoes into cubes, but if you have fresh yellow one, I'd prefer to use that one. After 10 minutes of boiling, turn off the stove and leave it again for 3 minutes, then strain the pearls and rinse with cold water. Then mix the Nestle cream with heavy cream and condense using the hand mixer for a few minutes. It's up to you whether you put all the condensed in if you want it to be very sweet. Because for me, I like it not too sweet, but I just added a little here to make it just right. Then add the cooked tapioca, pearl, and creamy milk, then mix.
Get up! Get him out!
But I added a little fresh milk, cause for me, it's too creamy. And here's my creamy mango tapioca. Happy cooking! May Abba bless you.